Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Proxmox backups to another node step by step clearly. To begin, ensure both the source and target Proxmox nodes are properly configured and connected. Log into the Proxmox web interface on the target node where you want to restore the backup. Navigate to the Data Center section in the left sidebar. Select the storage option to locate the backup storage containing your backups. Ensure the backup storage is accessible on the target node. Click on the Backups tab to view the list of available backups. Identify the virtual machine or container you wish to restore. Select the desired backup from the list. Review the backup details to confirm it's the correct one. Click the Restore button that appears at the top of the backup list. Choose the target storage for the restoration. Select the target node where you want the VM or container to be restored. If necessary, modify the VM ID to avoid conflicts with existing VMs. Configure additional options such as Restore Mode as desired. Once you've adjusted the settings, click Restore to initiate the process. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Monitor the progress in the task viewer at the bottom of the interface. After the restoration is finished, navigate back to the Data Center section. Locate the restored VM or container in the list. Verify the configurations and network settings of the restored instance. Finally, power on the restored VM or container to ensure it operates correctly. With these steps complete, you've successfully restored your Proxmox backup to another node. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.